In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video speed in Canva. If you've ever wanted to make a clip play faster for a quick time-lapse effect, or slow it down to highlight a key moment, this is a simple tweak that can make your edit feel more polished and intentional. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once the editor loads, click to select the video you want to adjust on your canvas or in your timeline. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it and the editing options appear at the top. Look along the top toolbar for the speed control, which typically shows as 1x. That 1x means your video is currently playing at normal speed. Click the 1x label to open the speed settings. A slider will appear, and this is where you can set exactly how fast or slow you want the video to play. Dragging the slider to the right increases the speed, making your clip play faster and shortening its duration on the canvas. Dragging to the left decreases the speed, creating a slow motion effect and lengthening the clip's duration. As you move the slider, you'll see the speed number change from 1x to values like 0.25x for half speed or 2x for double speed, giving you a clear idea of what you're choosing. A helpful tip here: think about the purpose of your edit. For quick how-tos or process videos, speeding up repetitive parts can keep viewers engaged. For emotional moments, product reveals, or action you want to analyze, slowing things down can add drama and clarity. Also, keep in mind that changing speed can affect the way embedded audio sounds. If the video has its original sound, speeding it up may make the audio chipmunky, and slowing it down can make it drag. If your final plan is to use background music or a voiceover, consider muting the clip's original sound so the speed change doesn't distract. Another thing to know is that the speed change applies only to the video you've selected. If your project includes multiple clips, you can repeat the same adjustment for each one to create a consistent pace across your edit. And don't worry if you change your mind. You can always reopen the speed control and slide it back to 1x to return the clip to normal. That's all there is to it. Select your video, click the 1x speed control in the top toolbar, adjust the slider to your preferred speed, and you're done. With just that small adjustment, you can instantly emphasize what matters and keep your audience hooked.